The Writing Studies department has a lot of different areas of research. I would say there's three main themes. So the first is writing pedagogy, which is how do you teach writing? How do you do it more effectively? How do you do it more equitably? And how do you improve student writing across campus, across majors? The second main theme is rhetoric, looking at how language shapes meaning over time across different situations. And then there's the technical and scientific communication folks, and that's more about how do you explain complicated things to an audience that is not very technical. So one of the classic examples that we always teach in our tech comm classes is how do you write technical instructions for something? So I challenge my students to pick something difficult like a rice cooker or building your own mechanical keyboard. How do you write clear instructions for someone who's never done that before? I think a lot of folks think that research has to be quantitative, and when they think of data, they often think of numbers or experiments. But for us, our data is language. My project is primarily text-based, something called a rhetorical history of old wives' tales. I did a ton of archival work here at the university in the Wangenstein Library, as well as a couple other archives. I've collected documents all the way from Aristotle to current TikToks that were posted like a couple months ago. I am using different theoretical frameworks to analyze those texts and find patterns and think about how we can address that type of misinformation. We have really great professional development in our department. So whether you want to go into academia or you want to go more into industry, the department is there to support you. They have a lot of great mentorship programs. You can sign up with industry folks. You can attend meetings every other month to kind of work on cover letters or work on resumes. I also really appreciate that we get teaching experience, but we only have to teach one class a semester. So we get a lot of time to learn about how we want to teach and structure our own classes. There's a wide variety of classes we can teach, from first-year writing to technical communication, business communication. This semester I'm teaching rhetoric, technology, and the internet, which is a more focused seminar course. You really get to pour all your energy into the single class while focusing on your own work. It's cool.